Hello guys, and welcome on this new video on our YouTube channel ExcelXam. So today we are going to see how to summarize our revenue per month. So on our previous videos we saw how to summarize or to calculate the percentage sales on different companies or to different companies. So as a manager, you may need to determine the summarized revenue per month of your company, and that is why we are going to carry out this video. Now the first thing is that we are going to use our previous data we used on the first video, and with that we are going to create our pivot table. Still already know the procedure, and then from here we are going to create our pivot table, and for that we are going to drag on the rows the month, okay, the month value, and at the level of the values we are going to drag the price, right? So as I was saying in our previous videos, you draw your pivot table according to you, okay, according to how it fits you. So don't be minded on what I'm doing right now. So as you are seeing, we have our pivot table created. So let's now try to determine the percentages per month. Okay, so these are the months and these are the values. So let's see how per month each month how much or how many percentage you do per month. Okay, so you go at the level of the column of prices, and then you right click. You're going to see the value field settings, and from there you go at level of show value as, and you're going to see the show value as box. You click on the drop down arrow, you select the percentage of column total, and then you click on OK. So as you click on OK, you can see that on April you have a 7% profit, okay, and at level of July and June it is actually complementary because you had the highest sales. Meanwhile in April you had the lowest values, okay. So this is actually how you can determine the percentage sales. Now it is also possible for you guys to change this name into the one that fits what you are doing right now. So you double click on the first arrow, and then you come and click here. Since we are calculating the revenue per month, so you're going to okay, so you're going to write revenue per month. So when it's done, you click on OK, and automatically your pivot table will be created with the months or the revenue per month as you want it. Okay, so you guys now can actually calculate the percentages per month of your company. You guys can determine the percentage sales of your company, and I count on you guys to apply this knowledge effectively. So we have come to the end of our video. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to share. So let's meet on the new video or another video on other tricks concerning using slicing and dizing to analyze data on our pivot table. So let's see on our new video.